Welcome to the Vegan Teacher Show. We have a new student in our class. His name is DanJello.
Let's see how Dangelo did on his oral presentation. Congratulations, Dangelo. You did exactly that. I think you forgot to talk about the egg industry, Dangelo.
Those who claim to be oppressed should not stand on the windpipes of animals and expect sympathy while they themselves are the oppressors.
Dangelo, did you do that? So you see, Dangelo, even though you might not be vegan, you could still have been vegan fantastic. So Dangelo, Now why do you have to be brave to be vegan, Dangelo? Next time, Dangelo. Take care, Dangelo. Do 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 do. Now, Dangelo. Thanks for listening.